Okay, so thyroid stimulating hormone is the next hormone secreted by the anterior pituitary gland. It is regulated by thyrotropin releasing hormone. This is secreted by, so the thyrotropin releasing hormone is a releasing hormone. So which structure would secrete a releasing hormone? If you thought about hypothalamus, you're right. So thyroid stimulating hormone is stimulated by thyrotropin releasing hormone secreted by the hypothalamus. And it is inhibited by rising blood sugar, blood levels of the thyroid. Okay, so this thyroid stimulating hormone has the word thyroid in it. So in turn, the TSH or thyroid stimulating hormone will act upon the thyroid gland to stimulate the release of thyroid hormones. So the next hormone is adrenocorticotropic hormone. This is also a tropic hormone. So this hormone acts upon the adrenal cortex, okay, of the adrenal gland. Another name for this hormone is corticotropin, and the cells that secrete corticotropin are known as the corticotropes in the anterior pituitary. Now, this hormone is also regulated by the hypothalamus, and just like any other hormone releasing hormone, the chemical or the hormone that stimulates the release of ACTH or corticotropin is known as corticotropin releasing hormone. So posterior pituitary gland contain axons of the hypothalamic neuron. So these pituocytes are specialized cells that store two hormones, namely ADH, secreted by the supraoptic nuclei, and oxytocin is secreted by paraventricular nuclei in the hypothalamus. Now, ADH is water retaining hormone. So ADH regulates the concentration of body fluids by reducing urination by the kidneys, okay, urine formation in the kidneys. Okay, so if you remember diuretics are medicines that make people pee a lot. So anti-diuresis is against urination, right? So it prevents urination. So in a sense, we retain a lot of water in the body. Okay, so we'll talk more about this when we get to the kidneys. But for now, just keep in mind antidiuretic hormone regulates water concentration by reducing water excretion by the kidneys. Okay, and then we have oxytocin. Oxytocin is the hormone that stimulates uterine contractions during childbirth and milk letdown, not milk production. Milk letdown means ejection of milk from the breast glands when the baby suckles the nipples, right? So oxytocin receptors peak towards the end of pregnancy, and its major contribution is during vaginal birth, during contraction. Another function of oxytocin is also to act as a neurotransmitter during affection and sexual behaviors as well, in between a couple. Okay, so just for now, know the functions of ADH and oxytocin in general.